Fibonacci gauge is next up for manufacturing. So let's take a quick look and see where we're at with production. Over at a CNC mill, the operator loads up aluminum blanks for the body to be milled from. The milled parts are hand inspected by the machinist for quality. And for even greater assurance that the parts are within tolerance, we use a state-of-the-art video optic inspection system. We're also making the knobs for the Fibonacci gauge as well, which are turned out of aluminum at one of our CNC lathes. We're going to continue to work on the Fibonacci gauge, and if you didn't get a chance to order, we're now taking orders until Sunday, July 19. So get yours before manufacturing ends, and stay tuned for more production updates.